Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Mr. Dan254 Official, and today guys we want to know how you can start raising the chick. First of all, we will consider how many chick we want to raise. Let's say 100 chickens. You want to raise, guys. 100 chicken will cost how much? First of all, you must know each chick costs how much. One chick, guys, cost is equal to $1. So you need 100 chick. Will cost how much? Let me calculate. What about 100 chicken? So is 100 times $1 over one chicken will go with chicken. So $100 times $1 will get $100. So we'll write here $100 is equal to 100 chickens. So in case you want to raise the chicken, you'll come and start like this. This is the plan of how you can raise successful farm when you must write the things that need. So you find here you'll need $100 to start 1,000 chick. 100 chick. That is only for buying what? Chicken. Let's continue to the feeds. You know, you must need feed to feed the chick. So in 1 month they will cost $50. $50. Because here in Africa, Kenya, we buy starters for 70 kg. We buy 70 kg, $50. So, and this 70 kg to 100 chick, they will use 1 month. Let's go. So you need to understand, this is feed plus chickens. They will cost $100 plus $50 is equal to $150. That is only the feed and the chick for 1 month, you see. And we continue. We need a thing like feeders. For we'll use feeders to feed the chicken, all drinkers, to put inside water. In here in Africa, the drinkers, all the feeders plus drinkers, let me say you can use the local, like 20 liters, you can go to the market, you buy. But in case you want to use modern feeders and drinkers, one is $5. So $5 times you'll need how many drinkers? Because one drinker can drink 50 chick. So you'll need, let me say, you'll need 3 drinkers. $5 times 3 drinkers, you'll get $15. And the feeders, you'll need, let me say, you'll need like 6, because there'll be enough, because let me say 20 chick per 1 feeders. So this is 6 times what? 6 feeders per 20 chicks. So you'll need 6 feeders, and 6 feeders, they cost $5. So you'll get that you have $30, drinkers $15, and feeders $30. This plus $45. So you'll come and take $150 plus $45. 591. So you'll need 195. And we'll continue to do what? To calculate so that you can see how much they'll cost you to raise 100 chick. We'll need the thing like vaccine and medicine. Vaccine for 100 chick, they will cost $5. So this is vaccine. And in first month, we'll vaccine our chick 4 times. The vaccine of Newcastle, Gumboro. So we'll come and say 4 times $5. We'll get $20. So you know that is the first month we are calculating. In this month, you'll need to buy the vaccination to vaccine your chick. So you'll use $20. So you'll come $195 plus $20. You'll get how many? 5, 1, 2. You'll get $215. And we need to have medicine to protect our chick from disease. In first month, the chick are still young, so you'll need the stress, the vitamin, liquid paraffin to help the chick to develop well. So here in our village, we get, all in our nation, we get 100 grams is equal to $4. Yes, $4. It's not $40, $4. So how many you'll need so that can be enough for 1 month? You'll need like 3. So $4 times 3 is equal to 12. That is the medicine of stress. And we have liquid paraffin. Liquid. We'll need like 2 times $1, because it's $1. We'll get $2. So $2, $12 plus $2 will get $14 plus $215. So $215 plus $14, 9, 2, you'll get $229 until that period. You see, if you want to raise the chick 100 chick, follow this instruction which I give here, so that you can be able to succeed in this life. And don't forget, the guys, one reason. You can ask Mr. Dan, how I will go to keep that chick? Maybe you have your relative, or your uncle, or your mom has an empty house. You can use that house. Or you have the house which the house which maybe you say this house is for the visitor. You can change that house to be for chicken, so that they can give you a lot of money, so that you can build a big house, and a big house of the chick. That is how we started. If you have $229, you can start poultry farm, and you'll be successful in this life. Don't say, I don't have money now, I need to get a lot, maybe 1,000. No, start with what you have. Maybe you have $100. You can start. You can divide all of these divide by 2 so that you'll get here like 100 and what, and $18 to start 50 chick, and that will be easy and nice. So guys, I hope you'll enjoy this video. Subscribe, like and share. I really appreciate. Let me say, let meet in another episode tomorrow. Bye bye. Imefika na
10.
Okay.
Sasa sijui kama imefika.